So, so I'm on vacation, and I did not watch WWDC. And my cousin, who I used to bounce video ideas off of, just texted me and said, iOS 18 looks awesome. And talking about how he can't wait to try it out. I was like, is it worth watching Dub like after the fact, or should I just read the website, or should I just install it? Yeah, I realized, I was like, should I just read the website, or should I watch all of WWDC? Is it worth watching? And then I was like, what if I just installed the beta, without any context? What if I just put it on my phone and gave it a try? And he was like, that'd be a really cool video. And I was like, well, it's been a year now, like this week. WWDC was my last video. The last video I posted was on WWDC last year. Now's a cool time to come back, like a year later. I just took a year off. My grandfather passed away. I moved twice. I got a new job twice. And like, a lot changed in my life, and it was just too hard to keep doing YouTube. But I'd like to come back, and I never posted a video on my review of iOS 17, so I think it'd be funny to punish myself, sort of, by just trying out 18 blind. So that's my plan. That's what I'm doing. I should come out with a video sometime next week about my first week with iOS 18, just blind trying, shot in the dark, installing the update without even knowing what's in it, what it's about. So yeah, that's about all I have for you. Later.